Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Travel. Today I am going to make dry chili paneer with noodles. This is Indo-Chinese recipe. Let's see the ingredients. 1 onion, 150 gram of paneer, 1 capsicum. I diced everything. It looks good, that's why. 1/4 cup of spring onion, half chopped onion. This is ginger and garlic. I grated. You can also chop or just make a paste. This is around 1 tablespoon. This is corn flour, vinegar, soy sauce, olive oil and tomato sauce. Let's see how to do this. First of all, I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and make it a little warm. Our oil is quite warm. Now I am adding grated ginger and garlic. Make it golden brown. See, this is done. Now I am adding onion and spring onion. Cook this for around 2 minutes. Look, it's done. I just cooked for 2 minutes. Now I am adding capsicum and onion. And this also we have to cook around 2 minutes. We don't want to lose the crunchiness, so just cook for 2 minutes. See, now I'm going to add this cornstarch mixture. And a little bit of water. Just cook it well. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, half teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Now cook it for 2 more minutes. Now I am adding salt to taste. Mix it well. You can see the color. It's looking super nice. And at last I am adding paneer cubes. I deep fry them, but this is completely optional. If you don't want, don't do it. Adding the paneer cubes. And gently mix it. Wow, see, our dry chili paneer is ready. It's really looking yummy and the aroma is super awesome. I can't control myself. Wow. But now first I have to prepare the noodles. Let's see what to do for the noodles. For noodles, I took this wok pan because it gives nice space, that's why. And I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Our oil is hot. I'm adding 1 onion, sliced onion. I sliced everything here, so if you want, you can also do the same. Capsicum, also sliced one. Mushrooms, sliced again, and saute a little bit. Now, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, 8 to 10 French beans. I'm making with all the veggies because I don't want to make a junk food. Broccolis, half carrot, 1/4 cup of cabbage, little bit of crushed black pepper, salt to taste. Saute it for a minute or two. We don't want to overcook them. I already boiled the noodles. Adding noodles to this. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of vinegar, and mix it well. I didn't add a lot of flavor to the noodles because our paneer is having a flavors. And it's ready. Enjoy with your friends and family. And grab it. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.